Jiangsu SUNYI Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2011. We have the first patent coffee capsule filling sealing machine in China. We have CNC manufacturing department to process precision mold. We are a leading manufacturer of filling, sealing, and packaging solution provider of coffee, tea, solid powder capsule, Nespresso, K-Cup, Dolce Gusto, Lavazza, etc. We provided multiple sets of automatic packing machine for many well-known food enterprises, such as China Coffee Research Center, One Cup, East Sign Food, etc. We have after-sales service centers in US, Brazil, and Thailand. We keep developing and improving the machines to guarantee our latest technology. We look forward for your visit and cooperation.